Hello viewers, you are welcome to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to solve this maths problem. We are going to continue from where we stopped in our last video. We are going to know how to find the trig ratio of sine 180 degrees, cos 180 degrees, tan 180 degrees, cosec, tan, cot, and the rest. So we are going to write sine 180 degrees. To find this sine 180 degrees, we are going to draw our y and x axis. This place is first quadrant. This place is second quadrant. This place is third quadrant. This place is fourth quadrant. The angles in this first quadrant are 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The angles in this second quadrant is what? 180 degrees. Okay, sorry. 90 degrees to 180 degrees. The angles in this third quadrant is 180 degrees to 270 degrees. The angles in this fourth quadrant is what? 270 degrees to 360 degrees. In order to find the values of the angle in this first quadrant, you can just use this formula. Sine theta is equals to cos bracket 90 minus theta. So that's the formula we are going to use to find the angles in this first quadrant. Now, to find the angles in this second quadrant, the formula is 180 degrees minus the theta. To find angles in this one is what? Theta minus 180 degrees or 180 degrees plus theta. The formula for this one is what? 360 degrees minus theta. So we are going to apply it here. Let me tell you something again. This place, sine is what? Positive. Cos is what? Positive. Tan is what? Positive. I'm going to show you how to remember it. In this place now, we are going to write A, S, T, C. After some time, all students take what? Course. You understand? All students take course. So we have another one called cast. You are going to start from where? This fourth quadrant, anti-clockwise. Start from fourth quadrant, anti-clockwise. Clockwise. So that's for this one. This cast, you can just say is what? Come after some time. So you got to use it and remember it. There's another one we call at. At. It starts from where? Okay, we can just draw the quadrant on this one to show you how it starts. From fourth quadrant, anti-clockwise, going like this: A, C, A, S, T. Now we have another one, the at. Let's draw it. It starts from where? The first quadrant. It starts from first quadrant, anti-clockwise. So first quadrant, anti-clockwise. No, it starts from first quadrant, sorry, clockwise. A, C, T, S. Are you seeing it? So start from first quadrant, clockwise. So that's the formula for this one. Start from first quadrant, what? Clockwise. We have another one called ASTC. This one is what? After some time, come. I know when somebody promise you money, telling you after some time, come. That your money, if that money don't have frequency, you go. So this one, let's draw the quadrant. This one is starting from where? The first quadrant, anti-clockwise, like this one. So first quadrant, anti-clockwise. So first quadrant here, anti-clockwise. So this one and this one are almost the same thing, but this one you can just say all students take course. This one is after some time come. So that's it. Now let's go to this side. This S means that sign is what? Only positive here. So sign is positive. Sign is positive. Cos is negative. Tan is negative. This place is showing us that T is here, that only tan is positive, the rest are negative. Sin is negative. Cos is negative. Tan is positive. This C here is showing us that only cos is what? Positive, the rest are negative. Sin is negative. Cos is positive. Tan is negative. So in order to find this our sin 180 degrees, we are going to take cognizance of all these things we do here. So sin 180 degrees is equal to sin, using this formula bracket, 180 degrees minus theta. So sin 180 degrees is equal to sin bracket 180 degrees minus 180 degrees. Sin 180 degrees is equal to sin 180 minus 180 is what? 0. Sin 180 degrees is equal to sin 0 is what? 0. So this is our answer. You come to this place, sine is what? Positive. So sine 180 degrees is what? 0. We are going to find cos 180 degrees. Using the same formula, we have cos bracket 180 minus theta. So that cos 180 degrees is equal to cos bracket 180 degrees minus 180. So cos 180 degrees is equal to, 180 minus 180 is what? 0. So cos 180 degrees is equals to what? Cos 0 is what? 1. So this is our answer. Now we come to this place, 180 degrees. Cos is what? Negative. So we are going to attach negative 1 here. So that's the value. We can clean this side and find the value of So we are going to find the value of tan 180 degrees is equals to tan bracket 180 degrees minus theta. So tan 180 degrees is equals to tan 180 minus 180 is what? 180 degrees minus 180 degrees. So tan 180 is equals to tan 0. Tan 180 degrees is equals to tan 0 is what? 0. So the value for tan 180 degrees is what? 0. If you come to this place, tan is what? Negative. Negative 0 and 0 is still the same thing. So if you put negative 0 and 0, they are still the same thing. So you just leave it like 0. So we are going to find the cosec of 180 degrees. Cosec of 180 degrees means we count from here 1, 2, 3. We are seeing S here, so it's what? The reciprocal of what? Sine. You know that reciprocal of a number is when the product of the two numbers gives us what? 1. You know that sine theta, we are saying that reciprocal of sine is what? The reciprocal of cosec is what? This sine. So sine theta is equal to what? 1 over, that cosec is equal to what? 1 over sine theta. So this sine theta is what? Over 1. So let's say whether their product will give us 1. So we have times. This one can cancel this one. We are left with what? 1. So cosec is the reciprocal of what? Sine. So when two numbers gives us 1, we know that that number is what? Reciprocals. So cosec is what? 1 over sine 180 degrees, which is equal to what? 1 over sine 180 is what? 0, which is undefined. So the value of sine 180 degrees, the cosec is undefined. So let's find a sec 180 degrees is equal to 1 over cos, which is equals to what? 1 over, our cos is what? Minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 1. So sec 180 degrees is equals to minus 1. That's the value. Now finding cot 180 degrees. Cot 180 degrees is equals to 1 over tan 180 degrees, which is equals to what? Our tan is what? 0. 1 over 0. So which is what? On the fan. So cot 180 degrees is equals to 1 over 0 on the fan. Thank you for viewing and God bless you. In our next class, we are going to find the value of sine 270, cos and the rest. Thank you and God bless you.